Welcome back, friends, and today we have this Balisong or butterfly knife. Now I want you gotta be very careful with this blade because could be a lot to handle, and it is scary sharp. So some quick spec is the handle length is about 2 inches. Call it 2 inches. You have the latch here. There it is. I want to be very careful. Like I said, I don't want this to bite me. I'm not a professional Balisong flipper. That's why I'm taking extra precaution on this knife. But this latch, it's just I know some Balisongs or some butterfly knives have a spring mechanism, but this is just a free floating latch. So the overall length, we'll call it 3.5 inches, and the blade length is 1.5 inches. I would say this comes in at a whopping 2 ounces. I'm not for sure about the blade steel, but I'm sure the metal is a high grade. It is made from the People's Republic of China. And you can see the blade has got a very high polish. Very nice high polish blade. They took I'm not for sure about the company that made this knife, but they took great attention and time in polishing this blade. See the reflection. There's a size comparison. You can see they milled out the holes here and the handle to reduce weight and increase aerodynamics. And these are probably brass, maybe brass pins to hold the handle and the latch. There's a drop point. I'd call that a drop point blade. Let's see about the piece of paper. As you can see, just like a hot knife through butter. Again. Scary. Look at that. Clean cut. So, all those, you have to be an expert to do all those fancy tricks that the Balisong practitioners do, especially with this knife. And so there you have it, friends. Just wanted to bring you this nice Balisong knife for you. And until next time, friends, have a great day.